So what you're seeing now at my background is the CapCut Relight doing its job. And with CapCut Relight, what it does is to help you add background lights to your videos and also front lights. So at this point, CapCut is making it easy for content creators that you don't really need to buy gears. It has teleprompters, it has relights for lighting up your videos. Now, you don't really need to be buying LED lights left, right, and center because it has it. So what you're seeing now at my background is the CapCut Relight doing its job. And to do this, go into your CapCut app. In the CapCut app, click on New Project. Open the video you want to edit. Now click on the video you want to edit. Then scroll to the right and click on Relight. Now, as you can see in Relight, there are three different ones. There is facial, there is ambient, and there is creative. Now, the facial is mostly for your front, so it's going to add light to your face and basically your front. And you can also edit the direction you want the light to go and the radius as well. So you can just play around it, but basically the light will be in front of you, and you have two lights, which is 1 and 2. You can change the color of both of them. If I want to change this light, I just change it to this colors here, and the second light as well. You can change it to, let's say, green. No, I don't like green. Let's say blue. Yeah, and then let's go to the second light, increase the intensity. It's too warm, I think, and change the direction. I want it on my face. So yeah, I think this blue is too cold. Let's say purple. Yeah. Let me put it on there instead. As you can see, the more I change the direction, it changes. Look how the direction of the light is on my face. It just moves and it looks like real light. Forget the facial expression. That was just where I paused the video. This intensity is to see how much you want the light to be, and this radius is to measure how far you want it to go. If you want it to just be at a particular spot, I would advise you to put it in moderation so that it does not look too artificial. And now let's go to ambient. Ambient is basically for the background of your video. I like this one especially, and it just looks so good. Like, I love it. Look how it looks. So nice. You can also try this blue one. I generally don't like blue for lights. I like this one as well. We can try this one. There are so many more you can try if you want. And you can also edit these ones as well. You can edit the brightness, you can edit the distance and things like that. You can change the colors. The last but not the least is creative. With creative, it mostly gives you the disco vibe. Look how it looks. It looks very disco-y, like you're at a disco party. And so I have the desktop version, the desktop tutorial of this one. So in case you're not comfortable doing it on your phone, you can also do it on your desktop. And I have a tutorial on that as well. With desktop, you can do so much more. So click on the link. It will be in the description box or in the cards above. Well, basically, that's how to use Relight. Let's see how my video looks now. Exactly, this is how I want it to look like. So there are more things you haven't discovered in CapCut that I would show you. So make sure you subscribe, like, and stay notified. Bye. Share this video, please.